Welcome to another edition of Ask an Appy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Linda from New York, United States, and she asked if she could use Appy Pie to create a resume website for her own profile. Yes, Linda, with Appy Pie's website builder, you could certainly transform your professional profile into a CV or a resume that could be further used for job applications. So some of the features which you could leverage on our website is the LinkedIn feature. So if you already have a LinkedIn public profile, you could leverage the LinkedIn feature that we have and paste the LinkedIn link over there. What Appy Pie's website builder does is it automatically picks up all the information and displays it on your profile. On top of that, we also have an editor or a code page. So using either of these features, you could create an awesome resume by mentioning about your education qualification, by mentioning about your work experience, your achievements, your goals. All of that could be consolidated using the editor or a code page. So the main difference between the code page and the editor page is on the editor page, if you are internet savvy, you could actually use HTML tags over there. However, in the editor page, everything is there. It's a WYSIWYG editor that's built into it. So you could actually use the WYSIWYG editor. And if you are familiar with some basic HTML coding, then you could also use the code page. So once you have created that awesome profile for yourself, you could also use the video page that we have. So if you want to say something about yourself, about your education qualification, about your goals, achievements, what you have done over the past 2 years, some of the highlights of the work that you have done, you could create a nice video and actually publish it on your website as well. So that really helps you. So once you have created your resume website, I would also suggest you to hook that up with the domain. So you can procure a domain from Appy Pie Domains, or if you already have an existing domain, you could link your existing domain using the website connectivity features that we allow you to do. So once you have linked your domain to this resume website that you have created, going forward, rather than sending your CV in a doc or a PDF format, you could simply send the link of your website when you're actually applying for these job positions. Sending these professional website links to the company makes you look much more attractive candidate as compared to others who are sending their resumes in a PDF or a doc format. If you like this edition, then do remember to share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.